Hey friends, welcome back to the FishTek Channel. Do you enjoy eating sardines? Have you ever wondered how those delicious sardines are processed and packaged to preserve their fresh flavor? It's an amazing journey they make from the vast ocean to your dining table. Let's explore it together in this video. Did you know that the world consumes over 3 million tons of sardines every year? And this number is expected to skyrocket in the coming years. Isn't that surprising? It's projected to reach 4 million tons by 2032. Impressive, right? Let's dive into the processing of sardines in Morocco, the leading country in the production and export of canned sardines. First, let's learn about Morocco, the top producer of sardines. With its location along the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, it not only boasts unique cultural traits, but also serves as the heart of the sardine industry. Did you know that this country not only produces, but also exports most of its canned sardines to international markets? That's incredible, isn't it? Notably, coastal areas like Agadir and Safi are recognized as the largest sardine processing hubs, where high-quality products are produced. It's astonishing that Moroccan sardines account for over 50% of the total canned sardines exported worldwide. Can you imagine a small country playing such a significant role in the meals of millions around the globe? These products are not only consumed domestically, but are also found in major markets like Europe, North America, and Asia. So, what makes Morocco the king of sardine processing? It's the resource-rich waters and ideal conditions for sardine growth. Moreover, Moroccan sardines are celebrated for their unique flavor and nutritional richness, making them a key ingredient in many delicious dishes. Would you like to try a dish made with Moroccan sardines? Moroccan waters are not only abundant in resources, but also benefit from advanced processing technology that helps maintain their leading position in the international market. Did you know that this perfect blend of nature and technology creates the high-quality sardine products we all love? It's truly impressive. The process of catching sardines in Moroccan waters is a sophisticated art form that requires precision. Fishermen here use purseine nets, a specialized tool that can encircle an entire school of fish in one haul. Isn't that amazing? This method not only allows them to harvest large quantities of fish, but also ensures that the quality of the sardines remains top-notch. This demonstrates that Moroccan fishermen are not just ordinary fishers. They are true artisans of the seafood industry. Interestingly, they often fish at night, using bright lights to attract sardines to the surface. Can you imagine the stunning sight of millions of shimmering fish illuminated under bright lights in the dark? This phenomenon creates a magical scene while mimicking the natural light of creatures that sardines typically gather around. These techniques make the fishing process smoother and more effective. Let's take a moment to admire the beauty of the ocean and the skill of Moroccan fishermen. When the sardines are pulled from the water, they are not left waiting long for care. Immediately, they are transferred onto boats and carefully stored in large containers filled with ice. Did you know this preservation method not only keeps the fish fresh during the long journey to the processing plant, but also effectively prevents natural decay? It's incredible. Thanks to this method, sardines can retain their freshness and natural flavor as if they were just caught. In 2024, Morocco reported a sardine production of over 1.5 million tons. This impressive figure not only surprises many, but also demonstrates the vast scale and continuous growth of the sardine processing industry in this country. Have you ever wondered about the efforts of the fishermen and processing workers dedicated to delivering high-quality products to consumers worldwide? At the processing plant, sardines are not just a product. They represent the dedication and hard work of an entire team. Right when they arrive, these sardines receive special care to ensure they maintain optimal quality. Did you know that the first step in this process is to place the fish into an automatic cold water washing system? This not only removes dirt and fish scales, but also eliminates any remaining impurities. Just imagine them being treated like stars before stepping into the spotlight. While the sardines are being cleaned, the cans and labels are also being prepared for the packaging stage. An intelligent automated system carefully organizes and sorts each can, ensuring that everyone meets the required size and quality standards. This isn't just a process, it's an art form. A dedicated team of workers meticulously inspects each fish, checking its size, freshness, and type. Only the best sardines make it into the can, providing you with a truly quality product.
Babalik na rin doon.
The fish filleting process is equally impressive, executed by modern automated machines with precise accuracy. These machines fillet and remove the insides of the fish gently, while workers are always on hand to supervise and inspect. Can you sense the perfect harmony between humans and machines that allows the process to be quick while ensuring optimal quality? Removing the insides not only thoroughly cleans the fish, but also guarantees food safety for every family. It's amazing, isn't it? After being cleaned, The sardines are sent to an automated canning system. This system ensures that each can contains an even amount of fish, maintaining product quality consistency. The cans move along an automated conveyor, and the machines seal each one using vacuum technology, ensuring no air gets in. This helps the fish stay fresh for a long time without spoilage. Isn't it magical to see every step flow so smoothly and efficiently? Once the sardines are canned, they undergo a preliminary cooking process. During this stage, the fish are quickly steamed, helping to retain the firmness of the meat while enhancing its flavor. This steaming process is crucial. If not done properly, the fish can lose its natural texture and taste. Can you imagine the rich aroma of the sardine cans as they are steamed? After cooking, sardine oil or tomato sauce is added to each can. This step is essential for preserving the sardines. The oil and sauce not only enhance the flavor, but also prevent spoilage during storage. Canned sardines in oil or tomato sauce are not only tasty, but also nutritious, providing a convenient and healthy meal. Once cooked and seasoned, the sardine cans enter the sterilization process. This critical stage ensures that all harmful bacteria are eliminated. The sardines are placed in industrial sterilization machines that operate at high temperatures. This process guarantees that the fish won't spoil and extends their shelf life for months, even years. It's especially vital when the products are destined for international markets. After sterilization, the cans are labeled with product information, ingredients, and nutritional values. Finally, they are carefully packaged into cardboard boxes, securely taped, and stacked on pallets, ready for shipping. Can you imagine that every day, millions of sardine cans from Moroccan factories are shipped around the world, meeting the needs of consumers everywhere? The sardine industry is not just an economic sector. It is an integral part of the culinary culture and lifestyle of the Moroccan people. Did you know that Morocco's annual sardine export value exceeds $1.5 billion? That staggering figure is truly impressive. Canned sardines are not merely seen as a regular meal. They are a strategic product that showcases the skill and creativity of Moroccans in developing their seafood processing industry. Moroccan sardines are not only popular in the domestic market, but also reach consumers in Europe, North America, and Asia. This demonstrates that Moroccan sardines have truly won the hearts of people worldwide. So what makes the flavor of these sardines so special? It's the exceptional quality and the closed processing system that ensures safety and hygiene, providing consumers with wonderful culinary experiences. Each can of sardines is more than just a convenient meal. It is a testament to elegance and professionalism at every stage of production. When you open a can, you're immediately captivated by the distinctive aroma, a delightful blend of natural sweetness and the richness of the oil. The sardine meat is tender, juicy, and packed with nutrients, allowing you to savor the fresh taste of the sea. Just imagine, with a single spoonful, you're enjoying the essence of the ocean. Isn't that wonderful? From the big waves to the bountiful catches, those delicious sardines make their way back to the processing plant, where they undergo modern techniques to become the tasty, nutritious canned sardines we love. The journey from the ocean to your table is truly remarkable, isn't it? Thank you for exploring with us. Please support the channel by subscribing, and be sure to tune in for our next video.